In every neighborhood, on every block, your home is your sanctuary, but even the smallest cracks can silently open the door to a much bigger problem. One that starts small but grows with every storm. When rain falls, it finds its way in. Through a missing bead of caulk, a tiny fracture, and suddenly water has a way inside. From the outside, everything looks fine. But inside the walls, the damage begins long before you ever notice. Moisture seeps in silently, soaking insulation, framing, and drywall, creating the perfect environment for mold to grow. You won't see it, you won't smell it, not at first. But behind the walls where spores begin to multiply, fast, and then it appears, damaging walls, floors, and insulation, triggering allergies, respiratory issues, and other long-term health problems, especially for children and those with compromised immune systems. Left untreated, mold becomes airborne, spreading through your home's HVAC system, contaminating every room, every surface, and every breath you take. Over time, it can damage your home and seriously impact your health. At Moisture Master Pros, we find the leaks before the damage spreads. Protect your home from the inside out.